Cultural conflict described in the Vedas dates back to the post-Mauryan period. This is the reason why there are references to stupas in Rigveda and chaityas in Ramayana. It is widely told that Ganga is mentioned once and Yamuna thrice in Rigveda, but it is very less told that stupa is mentioned twice in Rigveda. Stupa of Sanskrit is basically a corrupted form of Pali thup. Many words are made from thup in Pali like thup, thupika, thupikat, thupara etc., but many words will not be made from stupa in Sanskrit, because stupa is an external word for Sanskrit. Usually external words in any language are sterile. They do not have the ability to generate words. Stupa is a sterile word for Sanskrit. Therefore Sanskrit stupa is a modification of Pali thupa, and those commentators who interpret stupa found in Rigveda in any other sense are wrong. Stupa, Buddha Ashamazam Antarnahita, that is, there is Buddha embedded in it. This is verse number 7 of Rigveda's first division, Sukta 24, 6th Anyavak. In this King Varuna is also called a Buddha, king. The whole meaning is linked to each other. The meaning is somewhat different in Sayana Bhashya, Abudin Raja Varuno Vanasyurdvam. Stupam Dade Putdaksha, Ne China Sturapari Budna Ashamazam Antarnahita, Katav, Su, 7, that is, King Varuna, the one who covers all, with holy valor holds the divine effulgent sun god in the baseless sky. The face of this effulgent sun god is downward and the origin is upward. From this the divine rays spread in the middle, but this meaning which is based on Sayana Bhashya is wrong. Almost all the translators have given the same meaning. It is necessary to look at the context, as it is self-evident from the above that the title of Varuna Raja is a Buddha, which means that Varun was an anti-Buddhist king. Further, there is talk of overturning the stupa, Ramayana, the epic of Indian religion and culture, whose saga was composed by sage Valmiki. Stupa is described in some sections in Ramayana. Following are some of the sections where stupa is described in Ramayana. Sundarkand, verse 66, in Sundarkand of Ramayana, a stupa has been described at the place marked by Sita Mata after Hanumanji entered the city of Lanka. Athosthanam Chintayitva Sita Mata Tadantik, accessible Tata Kranchanalan Shikara Sankulam, Tatra Stupam Susankasham Vibhuti Prakritam Yatha. Angulatvam Vimanasia Dadarsh Vanratama, that is, Hanumanji reached the city of Lanka and meditated towards the marked place of Sita Mata. Then he went there and saw the stupa situated at the peak of Kranch mountain, which was full of vibhuti and was in the shape of a plain, Aranyakand, Sarg 49, in the Aranyakand of Ramayana. Following the Ashram Vasini scheme, a stupa has been described to Rama by a sage named Shubri. Tatra Ramo Mahabharvamatraja Tan Tata, Dadarsha Darshanasamyo Rupamashram Vasini, that is, after the Ashram Vasini scheme, Rama visited a sage named Shubri. Shubri showed Rama the stupa situated there, which was full of vibhuti and shining like a lion. Sundarkand, Canto 16. Ashokavanika Nama Nagari Rakshasevada, Tatra Ramina Samprapti Drishta Stupastada Bhavan, Ramayana, Sundarkand. 16:7, Hindi translation. There was a city called Ashokavathika, where Ravana's army was, and when Lord Rama reached there the stupa was seen. Both Ramayana and Rigveda are ancient and important texts of Hinduism which are the pillars of Indian history and culture. Stupa is mentioned in both these texts, which tell the deep mysteries of the old ages of history. From this we can infer that the authors of Ramayana and Rigveda are after the birth of Buddha, and the stories of Rigveda, Ramayana, are written after the Mauryan period.